Starting off this vlog where the last one ended. We're on Cape Cod. If they didn't see the last one, we're reunited. Quicker than I thought we were gonna be. Thank goodness, because I feel like in the beginning of long distance, I could go like a month. I'd be like, okay, like it's okay. We have like a long road, but then by the end, I'm like 2 weeks is my max.
I don't think we ever went a month.
We went 1 month in the very beginning. It was a full month.
So.
After I went to Hawaii and you first went to Reading, it was exactly a month. And I don't think we ever did a month after, because it was terrible. And I always forget what you look like.
Yeah, that never happens to me.
I always say I forget what you look like, and he's like, I never forget what you look like. I just don't know how to describe it. I don't actually forget what you look like. I just forget what being with you in person is like. I'm sure other people in long distance relationships know what I mean. Not like actually, but I don't know. It's just like different. Like my everyday life changes when we're back together. You know what I mean?
Sure.
And we're gonna make this vlog fun, so that if you're feeling sad by the situation of the world right now, maybe we can have some fun. Let's show them how fun your new setup is. Will you show us?
It's not ready yet, but
show us a sneak
preview.
preview. Okay, so Max is a big gamer, if you guys didn't know.
I got a new toy yesterday.
Why is it like changing colors? It like lights up.
It's cool.
I'm zooming in so they can see. So what is it called?
A PC.
Oh, that's it.
It's just a new computer.
It's a computer.
Games on there.
Video games.
I'm gonna start streaming soon so you guys can follow along.
Did you guys watch him streaming? Sometimes he sets it up just for me so I can watch him play when we're like not together.
It's not just for you, it's for everybody, but
well,
most often
usually it's just for me. Because you haven't told anyone about it.
I know.
Did you guys watch him play? Or they probably wouldn't, but like your brothers or boyfriends or whoever that play Fortnite would. Is just Fortnite, strictly Fortnite?
Primarily. Yeah.
Okay. But then this you already had.
Yes.
To play it on. This is just the temporary setup while we're on Cape. But when we live in Pennsylvania, you're gonna have a dedicated room. Yeah. So it goes on Twitch.
Yep. You can follow along.
What is stream ending? What does that mean?
That's what they see right now because I'm not live.
Oh. Oh, it's like a homepage? I don't really understand. Is it like YouTube?
No.
No. Twitch, Instagram. It's Willie95. Should I tell them your username?
Yeah, you can.
If you guys are Twitchers, it's Willie95. So can they just Google it and it comes up?
Twitch.tv/itswillie95.
So can they only see it while you're live? It doesn't save like a YouTube video?
I can make it so they can watch the
old ones.
Yeah.
So it does save.
Yeah.
How do they?
See, I got a couple on there already.
Oh, that you saved?
Yeah.
So you guys can watch old ones.
I got 3 on there.
0 views.
Yeah, so go watch, people.
Do people make money on Twitch?
Yeah.
Is there ads?
Yep.
Like YouTube? That play before, so you'll make money on them?
Yeah.
Oh. But you probably don't have ads on yours. You just deleted one.
Yeah, it was supposed to be out there.
Can they hear you and your friends talking? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I like listening. I was like, oh, I feel like I'm listening to you guys on the phone. There you have it, folks. Maybe I'll go on Twitch one day. Maybe I'll learn.
You can go on there with me.
I went on playground mode once. Can I not play, but they can hear me talk?
Yeah, once we get the camera, they'll be able to see us.
That could be so fun. Except I wouldn't know what I'm talking about.
Well, you can just talk to your
Now,
gals.
I'm going to show Max some of my GoPro footage from my trip and tell him about it. Right?
Right.
You're going to think it's so cool. And you guys probably already saw my Bahamas vlogs if you're watching this. So you should go watch if you didn't. That's all for now. Catch you later. Now we're making lunch. Max is trying to find the ring knife. So we are making HelloFresh today. I'm so excited. Thank you, HelloFresh, for working with me on this video. This is literally the perfect time for HelloFresh because half the time you can't find what you're looking for in the grocery now, and it's just like such a crazy time. So you guys know I've been getting HelloFresh for literally years now, and I love their stuff so much. Do you guys remember when I made this in the past? I literally made this exact thing. Whoa, it's so bright. It's the chicken, sausage, spinach, ricotta, ravioli. Max is already getting cooking because he's so hungry, but if you guys haven't tried out HelloFresh before, I'll tell you right now, you guys can go to hellofresh.com, link down below, and use code GretchenG10 to get 10 free meals and free shipping. You guys know I love HelloFresh so much. It just comes all pre-portioned and measured, which I love because then there's less prep for you, less food waste. Also, there's something for everyone. They have the low calorie options, they have like the family box, vegetarian, everything like that, and they are super simple. Like this one is one of the quick ones. It only takes 20 minutes, and yeah, you can just focus on having fun cooking, and dinner is ready in as quick as 30 minutes or even 20 minutes, like I said, with a quick one, or lunch. Like today we're making it for lunch. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how Max has already started. Look at you go. Woo! It looks so good.
Oh my god.
Yummy?
I love it. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. We already finished lunch, but I just wanted to remind you.
Good.
Right? That might be new at the top of my favorites list. I remember you didn't have it. Oh, I just hit your hat. I remember you didn't have it before because I made it when I was by myself. But reminder that HelloFresh is America's #1 meal kit, and I like how flexible it is. You can change your delivery date, skip a month at any time, whatever. And again, you guys can go to hellofresh.com and use my code GretchenG10 for 10 free meals, including free shipping. Doesn't this seem like a perfect time?
It really
we were just saying, I told them
wish
before
we had
how,
more.
I know. I left the other ones in Boston.
We'll go back and get them, I think.
Yeah. And I was telling them before how your teammates use them.
Yeah.
Use HelloFresh.
They do.
Because it makes so much sense. And like I keep saying, right now, if you can't have access to certain things, like in my grocery store in Whole Foods, I think I showed them, but there's like randomly full aisles and then not full aisles. Like there was not a grain of rice, no eggs,
bread,
no meat. So like I wouldn't have been able to make that sausage thing, no bread. But then there's like, there was all the fruits and vegetables though. Maybe they keep stocking that up.
What?
I don't know. What madness. What else are we gonna do today, thingy?
You're looking at it, babe.
No.
Yeah, it's a lazy day today.
I think we should take a walk in nature. I could use some fresh air. No, it's not. It stopped raining. It was raining this morning. Excuses. Maybe we should make cookies.
Brownie.
No.
Brownie.
No.
Ice cream.
No.
Chocolate sundae.
No, you know what I'm gonna say.
CRs. CBs.
Wait, did you say cinnamon roll or cinnamon bun?
Cinnamon.
I think I've always said cinnamon bun.
Cinnamon roll.
But I feel like other people say cinnamon roll. What do you guys say? Comment down below. Do you say cinnamon roll? Cinnamon bun. Or later, maybe we can take a drive and not actually go anywhere because we're quarantining. Oh, and you guys saw we went to Nirvana, but that's allowed because we didn't sit in there. That's like takeout. Like we literally ran in to get our donuts and our coffee and left. Like we didn't interact with anyone. Oh, we noticed, we thought it was interesting that places like Nirvana and Starbucks don't let you bring your own tumbler anymore. Because I think for just health reasons. Yeah. So probably not good for the environment, but good for everyone's safety.
True.
Because it's like the single-use plastic, but then you're not spreading germs.
But true. So true.
What a tough time.
What a world we live in, people.
I can't wait till we can entertain them by self-tanning Max.
Too bad we don't have the self-tanner and we're not allowed to leave, so we're quarantined.
We need
Except to go to Best Buy.
Maybe I'll overnight ship it. How about that?
Stay tuned.
We're gonna go stir crazy in this vlog.
I already am.
I know you are. I need to get some activity in.
Okay.
Do some jumping jacks.
Okay.
You're loving this break.
This is my activity.
I've been watching Remy's moving vlogs and Sierra. Everybody's moving, and it's always an interesting time. So can't wait for my moving vlogs. Right, Max?
Uh-huh. Yeah, no, actually though.
I'm already stressed. Moving is stressful, but it'll be good. You know what now would be a good time for?
Cinnamon buns?
No. We haven't said his name yet. It's gonna be a reveal.
Oh, I didn't know.
Max just said the name of our unborn son, golden retriever puppy. We haven't told you guys yet, but now would be a good time for him. Can't wait for golden retriever puppy. Can you see him running around in here, having a blast? Oh, but I really want to find a way to adopt or rescue you guys. It's been such a struggle. Maybe we can just talk about it right now. How I just feel so conflicted. You know, I just brought those dogs that were rescued back to America, where they're gonna have their forever homes, and so I just know how important it is. But you guys know that Max and I want a golden retriever puppy so bad, and everyone was asking me why we didn't keep Nelson, and basically I just didn't feel like ready in the moment, and me and Max have always decided that we wanted a puppy together, and so I didn't think it was fair that I made that decision on my own. And we've always said we wanted a golden retriever puppy, and we weren't like living together yet. Now with this whole thing, I guess we're not long distance anymore, unless you go back and keep playing hockey. We don't know like what's to come. So yeah, basically we still just really want a golden retriever puppy because that's what we've always wanted, but I really would like to be able to adopt or rescue, and they are few and far between. And I literally have been looking online all day because I have the time, and I found like a couple, and usually what happens is they have like health issues, so they end up in a rescue, or what was that one girl one, I forget, like extenuating circumstances. But normally golden retriever puppies don't end up in rescues or adoptions, or are able to adopt. Do you know what I'm saying? So if any of you know of any golden retriever puppies that I could adopt or rescue that really need a home so that I didn't have to go to a breeder, let me know. But we have been looking at ethical breeders, because if you guys have been following the journey, you know what a process it's been for me to try to adopt or rescue. And even if I do find one that I could adopt or rescue, I may get turned away. I have been turned away, and I've been trying a lot. I'm not eligible for it because I'm not 26. I live in an apartment. I don't have a yard. I don't have a fenced in yard, anything like that. So don't hate me. Just know that I'm doing the best I can, and we're gonna try to figure it out. But yeah, we really want a golden retriever puppy. This is gonna be a long vlog because I have nothing else to do except for look for golden retriever puppies to adopt or rescue all day. So yeah, if you guys know of any, you let me know. We're in a really heated game of Crazy Eights, you guys, and watching Legally Blonde. Today's getting crazy.
Why don't you show them who's winning?
You definitely are. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We started to play cards. Who knows what we'll do over the next couple days. We need to like start a business. We need to like have like a big project.
That is my project.
What? Oh, your video games?
The stream.
Yeah.
You
Guess
need
what?
one
We'll
now.
see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully cinnamon buns. I'm too full to make them tonight.
Oh, I like it.
We had the yummiest dinner. Oh, I wanted to show them. Max's mom is the best cook. We had spaghetti with bolognese and a salad. And what else did we have? There was something else.
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread. Yum. Our crazy game of Crazy Eights. Probably just took like 20 minutes.
Winner. Chicken dinner.
And Max won. I was so close to winning this many times.
Out-strategized.
There is no strategy in Crazy Eights. It is luck.
I out-strategized. Yeah.
Okay, you guys, we're whipping out the degrees, and Max's one from Brown literally is in English. You actually can't see a thing in here. Okay, that one's boring. But he just got this one in the mail. This one's in English. Yay! Max, come do your ceremony again.
Oh no.
Come on. That was fun, you guys. Because Max didn't do... Yeah, we'll start singing for you. I don't know the graduation song. Is that it?
Dun, 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 dun.
Max didn't go to his graduation in January, everyone. I guess you were probably busy. Can you give us a little walk? And the wave? And the handshake? Come here. I'll present it to you.
Yeah, that's like
I would like you all to know Max had 2 plates of pasta earlier, and he just had to make more ravioli. I might need a bite. It's probably good. Butternut squash is so good. Is that your ravioli dance? You're gonna spill it. Wait, I think I need a bite. Babe, it's gonna fall. Oh my gosh, it's like slipping out of there. Wait, do what you did earlier. That was funny.
Accepting the
We're singing the wedding song.
diploma from Bostonian University. Maxwell Kenneth Wilman.
I want my masters. That's so cool.
Before I get my rabs spilled all over it.
Spill ravioli all over.
Dad said you got a nice frame for me, Chase.
Wait, Max, you need to come talk to us. The fans all have a burning question that I keep getting. And they want to know how you feel since your hockey season got cut short.
Oh, we'll address that.
Later? Not now?
That needs to be a press conference, I think.
Will that be content for tomorrow's vlog?
Yeah.
Guys, I think we're daily vlogging during this.
We're doing Vlogmas, but Corona myths.
Corona myths. Come on, that'll be fun to look back at.
Yeah, Corona day
Wait,
one.
Chase, I just saw something crazy. We need to actually all watch it. There's this guy, Dr. Mike, who I used to watch on YouTube, and he's just like so smart because he's a doctor and just knows what's going on and is very
about the corona.
informative. Yeah, and it was this Instagram post that popped up. I don't think I even follow him. Maybe someone else reposted it.
It's
And
corona time.
he was talking about how like quarantining and socially isolating and stuff is kind of like how a vaccine works, but they're like basically the reason we need to do it is because the vaccine wouldn't be ready till like mid 2021, and so it protects I
Like
forget
the
how he was
thing
saying
with
it
the
makes
candles,
sense.
The matches.
Yeah, the matches picture makes so much sense, and it like protects obviously elderly and like medically people with like pre-existing medical conditions and like compromised immune systems. How was I saying it earlier? It sounded smarter.
Do you usually put butter on this?
Yeah, cover that stuff in butter. He made butternut squash ravioli and it's so good. Anyway, go watch Dr. Mike. I'm gonna go watch his videos because he always knows what's up and gives you all the up-to-date info. Are we ending off our vlog right now today?
Would you like to?
Because I want to tell them the #1 question everyone's been asking you, but I feel bad that this is just going to be on a cliffhanger because you're just going to tell them in the morning. Because it's kind of a long answer. I feel like there's a lot you'd have to say for it. Do you know what I'm going to ask? I feel like you know.
The hockey?
Oh, yeah, it's about hockey.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, it's sad.
Will you talk more tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
He's up. But love you. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
We'll still be here.
Day 2. But,
Today's 1.
well, yesterday was 1.
Oh, you're right. This is day 2.
Bye.
All the days are blending together already. Goodbye.